guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something a little bit different for you guys. This is going to be a haul video. It's going to be makeup and skincare. So I haven't put up a Makeup Monday video in a long time because I've been so busy with my hair videos, and those are my first priority. But yeah, so I haven't done any makeup content in a while, but hopefully I'm going to get caught up with everything soon so I can start doing more makeup content on my channel and on my Instagram. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys stuff that I bought over the last couple months, and some things that I received in PR as well that I plan on trying. Yeah, so I'm going to start off with this palette that I bought probably in March, but I haven't used it yet. It's from Tarte. It's their Tarte Pro Remix palette. So first of all, it caught my eye. It caught my eye because it looks so fun, and it was starting to, you know, get warmer. So I was like, let me pick up a colorful palette. And I already like their In Bloom palette. So I was like, I'm gonna, you know, try this out. So this is what the colors and everything looks like. So it's a colorful palette, but these are like, it's more like, I guess, sophisticated or subdued kind of colors. They're kind of like jewel tones. Very pretty, but I haven't used it yet. It has a really nice mirror on there as well, a big mirror. I don't remember how much this was, but I'll leave a link to it down below. But I do like the formula of Tarte's eyeshadows, so, and I hope it's good because I think I paid like $50 for it. My thing with makeup has always been eyeshadow palettes. But on my channel, you guys have seen, like, lately I haven't been doing a lot of, you know, colorful looks or eyeshadow just because it takes so long. And I've been enjoying more neutral everyday looks like this because they just look good with any hairstyle that I review and everything. But summer's pretty much here. Like, it's May. When May gets here, I know it's not officially summer, but I feel like it's summer already. So I'm probably gonna get back into color. There is a brow pencil, and I did my brows with it today. This is what my brows look like today. I've been using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is what it looks like. I've been using this brow pencil for the last month, and I am really enjoying it. I feel like with pencils versus you know, pomades, I feel like pencils are just so, you have more control with it. I just feel like you do. And they sent me the color, the shade 375, which I think is like warm brown or something like that. I like that the cap of it is pointy. So let's say, because I have so many pencils where the cap is like just flat. So if you accidentally leave a bit of the pencil out at the top, it won't get smashed and you don't ruin your tip. So I appreciate them doing that. And then it has a nice solid cap for, the spoolie end. And my brows, I feel like it's very easy to get a nice brow. And this color is not like, let me see what 3.75 is so I can tell you guys. Okay, so I just looked up what color 3.75 is. It's called, it's warm medium brown. So when I'm choosing brow pencils, I usually go for like the second to darkest shade because I wear dark hair a lot. But I think this one, the warm medium brown, is like a really nice softer brown. So I can wear this brow color with, you know, lighter brown wigs and, you know, blondes and stuff, and it doesn't look too harsh for those lighter wigs, but it also looks very natural with, you know, darker hair like this. So this pencil is $24. I would recommend it. I have been using a brow pencil. Well, it's not actually a brow pencil. I've been using a automatic pencil from LA Girl. It's only $1 for years, but I was like, try something else. something a bit more high-end. This one's $24, but I feel like it's well worth it. Once I run out of this, I'm probably gonna pick it up again. They sent me another pencil, but I haven't used it yet, but I really like this one. I recently used all of my Sasha primer, which is really good that I'm actually going through my products. So I decided to try something else for my primer. I picked up the Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. Came out last summer when Alyssa Ashley released her foundations, released her foundations, because this was like her collab, I believe. So this is a matte primer. I've worn this 3 times so far, and I think it holds up pretty well. So far it's working pretty well. I can't like put my stamp of approval on it, but so far it's been working pretty well. My skin is weird. I think I don't have like 100% oily skin. I have combination, because sometimes I'm really oily, but then in certain areas of my face it's on the drier side. So I'm gonna share with you guys some stuff that I got from Octoly that I'm gonna start using tonight, but I wanted to feature them in this video. So I have this moisturizing cream from Laneige, and I had not heard about this company before, but I was watching Vicky Logan's channel and she's mentioned this company. And Vicky Logan, she is the person that really like understands skin and stuff. So I was like, let me try this line. Very pretty packaging here. So I'm gonna open it because I haven't even opened it yet. So it comes with a seal on there. You have to peel like a layer off, so they have the stuff wrapped tight. So it just smells like lotion. It doesn't have a smell. I'm just gonna see what it feels like. It feels very nice like on my skin, but that's just how it's supposed to feel. But let's see what they are saying about this moisturizer. Main benefits is hydrating and soothing. A rich moisture cream infused with hydro ionized mineral water, and it rescues dehydrated skin by replenishing its moisture levels, and it leaves the skin it leaves the smoothest skin imaginable. So I'm sure it's gonna work well. This is for normal to dry skin. Even though I do get oily, I do have, you know, some areas on my face that are dry, so I definitely want to incorporate this into my routine. It comes with this little spatula here. I'm not really sure what that's for. I guess it's to mix it or something, or to scoop some out so you don't, this is probably a scoop, so it's more sanitary instead of putting your fingers in there. The next thing that I decided to pick up from Octoly is a product from Dr. Brandt. So shout out to them for sending me this. This is their Needles No More Wrinkle Smoothing Cream with exclusive tri-blend wrinkle smoother. So you're probably like, you're not even that old, why do you have anti-wrinkle cream? But I was noticing under my eyes, I have deeper creases under there, so like my concealer starts to crease more. So I was like, is age just starting to hit me? Like I'll be 29 like in a few days, but it might be time to start using creams and stuff. So this is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Wrinkle Smoothing Cream by Dr. Brandt. They recommend after cleansing, pat a small amount to the area of concern above the cheek. So if you have crow's feet or lines that appear along the forehead and between the brows. So you just smooth, like just pat it into those areas. So I am going to be using this as well, because I was like panicking for a second, like, oh my God, am I starting to get under eye wrinkles? So you have a cap on it, and then you have like the pump. So that's cool that it has like a pump like that. So I'm gonna I have one more skincare product and then I'll move on to some more makeup stuff. So I also wanted to try this here. So let me take this plastic off. I still have the plastic on. So this is gonna be real like shiny on camera, so I apologize. But this is what it looks like. These are iPads. These are gel iPads. So I just know I just need to start taking care of my skin a lot more. I have always had skin issues, but now I'm starting to see like, you know, little fine lines, and I want to make sure I'm keeping my skin hydrated and, you know, looking youthful. So they're cooling hydrogel eye pads with hyaluronic acid, and it has for a refreshing skin sensation. So it has 4 of them in here. This cooling 10-minute express 3D hydrogel eye pads are optimally shaped to mold perfectly to eye contours. A synergistic blend of hyaluronic acid, hexapeptide 8, and second skin technology specifically developed for delicate areas around the eyes. After 10 to 15 minutes, the eye area feels refreshed and more radiant and hydrated, and it has a hydrated appearance. So this is something easy I can just, you know, incorporate into my skincare routine that I'm trying to revamp, because I feel like my skin is changing a lot. Like, not only with like starting to see, you know, fine lines and stuff, but I used to just be oily all the time, but sometimes I get, you know, dry skin as well. So that was everything that I got from Octoly. Something else that I picked up, and I've already started using this. This is the, what is this? This is the Dr. Bronner's soap, and you guys have probably heard of this. This soap is freaking amazing. My mom told me about this years ago, but I had just started using like cheaper soaps. But this is a like organic soap, and it's not just for the body. Okay, so I have had issues for a solid, probably well over a year of trying to find natural deodorants and stuff. And if you follow me on Instagram at iFancyCupcakes, I had like a conversation with you guys on my Instagram story. I'm still like, you know, having troubles finding a natural deodorant, but somebody was like, try using the Dr. Bronner soap and then use your natural deodorant. So this is like an organic soap. I use it to take a bath, but if you use this to take a bath, this is a lavender scent. It tells you need to dilute it, because if you're using it on your sensitive areas, you know, down there, it might be a little bit too strong for that. So you need to dilute it with some water. But before I took a shower with this, I cleaned my shower with it. Like, that's how good this is. It's gentle enough if you dilute it for your body and your face, all the areas on your body. You can wash your hair, you can mop the floor, do laundry. It says wash your dog. This is an all-purpose organic cleaner. And I cleaned the bottom of my shower and stuff with this, and it did a good job. So I think this is expensive though. It's like $15 or $16 or something like that. But you get 32 ounces of this soap, and it's multi-purpose. Really good. I got mine from Target, and they do have like different scents and stuff. It has like organic oils and everything in it. It's got words all over it. It's so many things you can do with the Dr. Bronner's soap. So pick this up. I'll have links in the description box to where you guys can purchase this, as well as anything else I have in this video. Okay, and the last thing I'm gonna show you guys, I re-upped on my lashes. If you watch my channel, if you watch my, you follow me on Instagram and you like read my makeup like details and stuff, I am always wearing the bold face makeup lashes. They are officially the best lashes that are affordable, that that I own. I was going crazy about the Her lashes that are only like $5. This company on Instagram, they're really cool, but I was wearing some of their lashes a couple days ago and I was like, these are cool. I wore another pair of Bold Face lashes and I was like, no contest. Bold Face lashes has the absolute best lashes that I've tried that are affordable. These are, all of them are less than $15. Yeah, so I picked up some more lashes. I only bought like, how many this time? The first time I bought some from them, I went crazy, but okay, this time I only bought five lashes. The ones I have on right now are from them. These are called Influencer. Very cute, and they're easy to apply. On Influencer right now, and I'll show you the other 4 that I picked up. Cause all of these are, I think, different. No, I have 2 of the same that I usually buy. So let's see here. These are called Spice It Up. You guys can see how those are shaped. I like more dramatic lashes. I don't like the 25 millimeter. I don't like the 25 millimeter lashes that are popular nowadays because I think they look crazy, but I still like bold lashes. I just don't like those. Power Pair, I have had these already and I have worn them several times, but I mean, these are brand new. If I have any pictures of me wearing them, I'll insert it, but this is what Power Pair looks like in the package. Very dramatic. This one is Bring It On. I definitely have some pictures of me wearing these as well. Ah, their lashes are so good. And then the last ones, these are super dramatic. They probably are on the 25 millimeter like level. These are called Alter Ego. Super dramatic. So these might be a little bit too much, or I might have to trim them down just a little bit. So that was everything from my haul. I'll keep you guys posted on the skincare stuff. Shout out to Octoly for sending me all of the skin products. I'll keep you guys posted on everything. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. What are some products that you saw that I featured that you are interested in buying? If you are interested in purchasing anything from this haul, I'll leave some links down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Make sure you hit that bell so you will be notified every time that I do another upload, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.